Hey everyone, welcome back to Automatic Cars with Sabri. In today's episode, we're diving into one of the most thrilling, high-performance sports cars that has become a symbol of BMW's engineering excellence, the BMW Z4. This beauty is not just about looks, it's about raw performance, technology, and sheer driving pleasure. So, buckle up and let's explore why the Z4 is a must-have for anyone who loves the thrill of an automatic sports car. Cut to the BMW Z4's exterior shots, focusing on design details. First off, let's talk about the design. The Z4's aggressive stance, wide grille, and sleek curves make it an unmistakable presence on the road. BMW has really nailed that balance between elegance and power. It's sporty, but still refined enough to be driven every day, whether you're driving the convertible or the coupe. The Z4's design screams performance from every angle. Just look at the line as a sleek, aerodynamic, and purposeful. Cut to shots of the interior, step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cockpit that's designed with one thing in mind: driving. The layout is driver-centric, with everything you need within arm's reach. You've got a high-tech infotainment system, premium leather seats, and an adjustable steering wheel that ensures comfort while you enjoy every curve of the road. Seated inside, showing the dashboard, the digital display, the iDrive system, and that sleek center console make the Z4 feel like a car from the future, while still being easy to use and intuitive. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the BMW Z4 offers several engine options, but the one we're driving today is the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. With 255 horsepower, it delivers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just over 5 seconds. And trust me, it feels every bit as fast as that sounds. The automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, with paddle shifters to give you that extra control when you want it. The Z4 is a true driver's car, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tight. And let's not forget the handling. The rear-wheel drive layout, combined with the sport suspension, gives you a driving experience that's second to none. The steering is precise, the car feels planted, and you get that perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. Whether you're cruising on a straight road or hugging a curve, this car makes every drive feel special. So, is the BMW Z4 the ultimate automatic sports car? If you're looking for an exhilarating driving experience with stunning looks and top-notch technology, the Z4 is definitely worth considering. It's one of those cars that combines luxury, performance, and everyday usability into one fantastic package. Alright, that wraps up today's review of a BMW Z4. I hope you enjoy this in-depth look at what makes this car so incredible. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Automatic Cars with Sabri, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future reviews. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the Z4A, or if there's another car you'd like to see next.